transitional period within the first 4 hours. They just kind of figure out life. When they breathe a little bit faster, they kind of start exploring with their tongue.
So it's not abnormal?
No, not at all. We'll watch it. He's not working to breathe. You know, if he was working to breathe, making funny noises, using a lot of accessory muscles, I might get a little bit more concerned. But no, nothing out of the ordinary that I'm concerned about right now. It's called TTN, transtachypnea of the newborn, which means fast breathing of the newborn for the first couple of hours while they adjust to the outside world. So I'll be back in a half an hour to check on him again.
Okay, good, thank you.
Sure. And Brenda will be around too, so if you do have any questions about, about anything about his breathing, she'll be able to answer it too. Plus, there's the call that you can hit at any point in time. But no, nothing to worry about.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hi, Peanut. Hi. I want to take off his hat and see his hair.